So you know what this is called?
What?
For some reason, it's called the Scary Maze game, but nothing's scary. A purple unicorn pops up at the end. Dion.
How's your hair going?
Don't talk because I hit the black. I'd have to start all over. Look how hard that is. Hush, Hunter. Stop, Hunter. That must make me die. I think would sing to you. Thunder jump up and down, put something on your head and run around. Ready? You go. She's gonna get you. She's gonna haunt you in your dreams.
God damn it, kick you, butt crack. I don't want to.
I just got that whole thing on video.